Hi children, welcome to VIN Sushmita here. Today you are going to learn GK chapter 15 human organ system. What you are going to learn here children about the functions and the body parts. Okay, see here, match the various system of the body to their respective function. What they have given here, we should match the various systems of the body to their respective functions. Okay, see, skeleton system, muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system, circular system. Now here we will see the functions. Okay, see, break down food and absorbs its nutrients, transports oxygen, nutrients and other substances to cell and carries away waste, provides structure to the body and protects internal organ, supports the body and allow it to move, takes in oxygen and release waste gases, controls sensation through movement and virtually all other body activities. Now we will see what is the function of skeleton system. Yes children, say me, what is the function of the skeleton system? What it will do? It will provide structure to the body and protects internal organs. Okay, first one it is C. It will protect structure. It will protect our structure, no children. Without bones, how we will be? It will not come, no. It will protect our body, okay. Next, muscular system. What is the function of muscular system? See, it supports the body and allow it to move. It supports the body and allow it to the move, okay. Muscular system. Next, digestive system. Digestive system, what it will do children? It break down the food and absorbs its nutrition. What it will do? It will break down the food and absorb its nutrition. Okay. Next, respiratory system. What respiratory system will do children? See, take in oxygen and release waste gases. Take in oxygen and release waste gases. Okay. Next, nervous system. What the nervous system will do children? See, it controls sensation through thoughts, movements and virtually all other body parts. See, control sensation, thoughts, movements and virtually all other body activities. Okay. Next, circulatory movement. Circulatory movement system, what it will do? Circulatory system, see what it will do children? See, it will transport oxygen, nutrients and other substances to cells and carries away waste. Transports oxygen, nutrients and other substances to cells and carries away waste. Okay. See, sixth one, what is the circulatory movement? It's option B. Okay. Okay children,